What's up, guys? In this video, so people are asking how to reverse money on Opay. So let's say they'll send out money to someone and you want to reverse the money. So it sound funny, right? I guess. But reverse money, just like you send something and you want to reverse it back. You already sent it and probably it's successful. Once a payment is successful on Opay, you cannot reverse it back. Or else the payment is not successful and the person you are sending the money to doesn't receive it. So you can actually reach out to the customer support and ask them that the person you send out money to did not receive the payment. So what could be the issue, right? So then they're gonna fact check the payment. They're gonna see if the person received the money or the money is hanging somewhere. If the money is hanging somewhere and the person have not received the money, they can actually reverse back the money to your own Opay account. But once payment is successful, like it is successful transaction, you cannot do anything about it. It's done and done successful, so there is nothing you can do about that. And if at all you don't know the person you are trying to send money to, Opay themselves will definitely tell you before you send money to anybody that did you confirm that this is the right person you want to send money to. Once you click on OK, continue, then it's gone. They believe that you know the person and you confirm that the payment is right, they should proceed with it. So that is how you can send a successful transaction on Opay that cannot be reversed. Thank you.